Wondering how to generate a steady income with the Faceless YouTube channel? In this video, I'll unveil the secrets behind a channel earning over $10,000 monthly, leveraging AI tools for automation. Get ready for a step-by-step breakdown, revealing the AI tools and strategies used. Plus, stay tuned for exclusive insights to kickstart your own profitable venture. Step 1. Are you skilled at choosing the perfect niche? Well, if not, stick around because I've got a method that'll take your skills to the next level. Let me tell you a story about someone who cracked the code to success. Meet Debtbusters. With nearly 20,000 subscribers and over 156 videos, Debtbusters is making serious waves in the online world. Get this, most of his content is powered by AI tools. Intrigued? I'll spill the beans on his secret later. But first, let's talk about choosing that best niche. It's like picking a needle in a haystack, right? That's where AI comes in handy. I'm talking about ChatGPT, a free tool that churns out 100 niche ideas at the click of a button. Imagine the possibilities. Now, here's the deal. Narrow down your list to the topics you're passionate about. Why? Because passion breeds commitment, my friend, and commitment is the key to growing your channel. But hold your horses. Before you dive headfirst into a niche, do a quick audience check on YouTube. Make sure there's demand for your chosen topic. Think of it like market research on steroids. Now let's talk payout. Ever wondered how much those successful channels rake in? Take BrainyDo for example. With almost 2 million views a month, they're pulling in some serious cash from ad revenue alone. And that's just the tip of the iceberg. Remember Debtbusters? His niche is AI tools, a goldmine for selling products down the line. Think health, wealth, happiness, relationships, those evergreen niches that keeps on giving. Step 2. Are you someone who spends endless hours brainstorming the perfect name for your YouTube channel? Do you often get hung up on designing logos and channel art? Well, what if I told you there's a faster way to get started and get past these hurdles? Let's dive in. Imagine you want to create a YouTube channel about philosophy. You've seen others succeed in this niche, and you believe you can too. But where do you start? Let me share a story with you. Meet Alex. Alex had a passion for philosophy and wanted to share his thoughts with the world. But like many, he got stuck at the first step, choosing a channel name. Hours turned into days as he tried to come up with the perfect name. Sound familiar? But here's the thing. Your channel name doesn't have to be perfect. Some of the most successful channels have names that don't directly relate to their content. So how can you speed up this process? You can leverage tools like ChatGPT to generate name ideas quickly. Simply input your niche, like philosophy, and let it do the work for you. No more wasting days on brainstorming. Once you have some name options, it's crucial to check if they're available. You can use tools like BrandDB to ensure your chosen name isn't already taken. Next up, branding. Creating a profile picture and channel art may seem daunting, but it doesn't have to be. Platforms like Canva offer templates that you can customize to fit your channel theme. In just a few minutes, you can have a professional-looking branding for your channel. Now let's talk about your channel description. This is where you tell your viewers what your channel is about. Instead of struggling to write one from scratch, you can use ChatGPT to generate a keyword-rich description tailored to your niche. By leveraging these tools and strategies, you can streamline the process of starting your YouTube channel. Remember, it's not about perfection. It's about taking action and getting your content out there. Step 3. Are you confident enough with your creativity at crafting engaging content? Ever considered harnessing that power for an AI-powered channel? Let's dive in without revealing our topic just yet. Imagine a creator much like you, shaping their success story using this method. They're cranking out videos on simple AI steps, tools, and more, gathering views and subscribers along the way. Now, onto the main dish, brainstorming 30 video ideas for your own AI-generated channel. We'll tap into ChatGPT's prowess, feeding it links to similar successful channels in your niche. Within moments, it spits out a trove of potential topics like 10 surprising benefits of meditation or how to improve money. But hold on, we're not done yet. Before committing, we scrutinize each idea. The golden rule? Seek out recent videos with at least 100,000 views, signaling audience interest. Think how to persuade anyone, boasting 200,000 views in just a month. A promising sign. With this method, you're just minutes away from a goldmine of content ideas. Now, let me ask you this. Maybe you've got a knack for persuasion that's just waiting to be unleashed. Picture this. You're brainstorming ideas for your next YouTube video and you hit a roadblock. You know your content needs to be engaging, but writing scripts can be a real pain. That's where AI comes in. Step 4. Writing scripts with AI. Imagine this. You toss your video idea into the AI tool and voila! It churns out a polished script tailored to your topic. No more staring at a blank page for hours on end. But here's the kicker. You're not just getting any old script. This tool crafts content that's optimized for length, ensuring your videos hit that sweet spot for ad revenue. Plus, it's a game changer for scalability. More videos mean more ad breaks, and that means more money in your pocket. But hold up, before you hit record, there's one more crucial step: quality control. Scan your script for errors and opportunities to add even more value. And don't forget to run it through Copyscape to make sure it's 100% original. So there you have it. With AI by your side, you can pump out killer content that keeps your viewers coming back for more. Say goodbye to writer's block and hello to a whole new level of online success. And that's how you leverage the power of AI to dominate the YouTube game. Step 5. Have you ever thought about adding a professional touch to your videos without hiring a voiceover artist? Maybe you're skilled in crafting engaging content, but you're not sure how to take it to the next level. Well, today's your lucky day because I'm about to spill the beans on a game-changing strategy. Let me tell you about Jake. He's a fellow content creator who found massive success by leveraging AI voiceovers for his videos. He stumbled upon a gem called 11 Labs, a website renowned for its top-notch AI voice capabilities. Jake swears by it, claiming that the voices are so human-like, they're practically indistinguishable from the real deal. So here's the lowdown on how it works. You simply copy your script, paste it into 11 Labs, and let the magic happen. Sure, the free plan has its limits, but for a nominal fee, you can unlock a treasure trove of characters. No more waiting for days on end for a voiceover artist to deliver. Boom! Instant results. But hold your horses. There's a catch. While AI-generated content can be a game changer, it's not a substitute for genuine value. Injecting your personal experiences and insights into the script is key to making your content stand out in a sea of mediocrity. Take a cue from Jake and cherry-pick the best aspects from various sources, adding your unique spin to the mix. And don't forget about audience engagement. Pay close attention to the comment section of similar videos to glean insights and address burning questions in your own content. Trust me, it's these small touches that make all the difference in driving views and engagement. All of this is useless if you don't know how to create the best thumbnail that will hook your audience once they see it. If you want to learn how to create the best thumbnail that will increase your click-through rate, then stay tuned for our next upcoming video.